Hello, I am Samriddhi Ghosh and I read in Sr.Kg class. Today I am going to talk about body parts of bird. First one is head. Next one is eye. Some bird has very sharp eye, like eagle and vulture. Next one is wings. Some bird has very big wings, so they can fly high, like kite, vulture, and eagle. And some bird has very small wings, so they cannot fly, like kiwi and ostrich and next one is tail. Some bird has very beautiful tail, like parrot and peacock. They have very beautiful tail. Next one is beak. Some bird has very strong beak, like eagle, vulture. They have very strong beak, and ostrich too. Next one is body. Some bird has very big body, like ostrich and emu. They have a very big body, and some bird has very small body, like hummingbird. Next one is leg. Some bird has very strong leg, so they can fly. They can run very fast, like ostrich and emu. Last one is feet. Some bird has very web feet, so they can swim in water, like duck and penguin. Thank you and bye bye.